Now let's discuss bladder 2, Zanzhu, gathered bamboo, a point of the eye system. Bladder 2 is located in a depression at the medial end of the eyebrow, directly above the inner canthus of the eye. How to find? As the location of the eyebrow can vary, the medial canthus of the eye should be used for reference. Bladder 1. Palpate for a generally pressure-sensitive depression in this area of the orbital ridge. Caution. According to Sabota, except in rare cases, bladder 2 is not located on the supraorbital foramen, mainly located more laterally, but in the area where the supratrochlear artery and the supraorbital nerve emerge. Frontal notch. Bladder 1 is located inferior to bladder 2. Needling 0.3 to zero point 0.5 soon obliquely from lateral to medial or transversely, subcutaneously in the direction of the disorder. Caution, branches of the frontal nerve, facial nerve, blood vessels. According to the majority of authors, moxibustion is contraindicated, considered a less risky alternative to bladder 1. Actions, indications. Benefits the eyes, expels external pathogenic factors such as wind, clears heat, clears the head, moves qi in the bladder divergent channel, for example, for painful hemorrhoids. Special features, important and frequently used local point for the eye region, good point for excess and heat syndromes of the eye region, prick to bleed, puncture the point and let it bleed, but avoid facial hematoma. So bladder 2 expels wind for redness, swelling, and pain of the eye, itching of the eyes, epilepsy, twitching of eyelids, excessive lacrimation, hemorrhoid pain. Clears heat, brightens the eyes, blurred vision, dizziness, diminished night vision, eye nebula. Subdues liver qi for headache, dizziness, pain in the eyebrow, nosebleed, facial pain, cheek pain. This is an important local point for the eye. First of all, it expels exterior wind from the face and removes obstructions from the channel. This means that it can be used to treat facial paralysis, facial tics, and trigeminal neuralgia, all problems caused by wind affecting the channels of the face. Bladder 2 brightens the eyes and subdues liver qi, but only locally in relation to the liver function of nourishing the eyes and in relation to headaches. It can therefore be used in any liver pattern affecting the eyes, such as floaters in the eyes, red eyes, blurred vision, and persistent headaches around or behind the eyes. Bladder 2 is an important and frequently used local point for the treatment of disorders of the eye and the surrounding region. It may be substituted for bladder 1 in a variety of eye disorders, primarily those due to attack by exterior pathogenic factors, especially by practitioners with insufficient clinical experience in needling points close to the eyeball. For this purpose, it may be needled to join with bladder 1, or in the case of heat patterns, pricked to bleed. Its effect on redness and itching of the eyes, combined with its ability to treat rhinitis and sneezing, renders it particularly suitable in the treatment of hay fever. The sphere of action of bladder 2 is not confined to the treatment of eye disorders, however, and it is frequently used as a local point for frontal headache, pain of the eyebrow region, sinus pain, and facial paralysis, and more widely for one-sided or generalized head wind and headache following alcohol intoxication. The bladder divergent channel winds around the anus, and bladder 2 is indicated for pain of hemorrhoids, an illustration of the principle of using points above to treat disorders. This point refreshes our physical and mental faculties, can be considered as an alternative to or supplement for bladder 1. For sinusitis, hay fever, or eye problems, clears the nose and head, consider for headaches, particularly around the eyes. The eyebrow resembles a bamboo leaf, hence its name. Local point, for eye problems, pain and congestion of the surrounding area, benefits the eye and is used for blurred vision, tearing, redness, pain in the eyes. It is used particularly in hay fever to alleviate redness and itching. Bladder 2 is often used with Li20 for stock sinus problems. Benefits the eye, opens and brightens the eye, expels wind and cold, clears heat, eases pain, clears the nose and head, strengthens the back, soothes the liver.